Once you have watched this tutorial on our TikTok channel or YouTube channel, and follow the 4 easy steps for you to open a Forex trading account, then what next? The next step that you need to take is log into the broker, verify your trading account, and connect it to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader, or MetaTrader 5. Some beginners, they have the error of authorization fail. So let me assist you as to how to verify the account, connect it to MetaTrader 4 or 5. We have other platforms that we can use. So now make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can go to YouTube, search Bozza, subscribe there. And we have, when you click this link here, we have the WhatsApp group. So once you get to our WhatsApp group, you'll get updates so that you don't miss anything. This is the group that we have for you to get updates and learn more. Now, you can also make sure that you are following the correct account on TikTok. This is the real account, BozzaTrader. This is the only account that I have for you to actually get lessons. Now, you can also follow us on our Facebook, Twitter. We have other social media networks. So let me assist you for you to actually log in, verify the account, connect it to MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. You can also use TradingView. If you go out here, we have other platforms that you can use: TradingView, DeriveX, DeriveCtrade, DeriveGo. So now let me assist you as to how to log into MetaTrader 5 or connect it to MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. So to assist you, it's simple. Make sure that you have Chrome, you have Google, or you have Safari. Now we go to our YouTube channel. Now we use these same links that I've said you can actually use to register a trading account. So you click here once, right? Once you click here once, you'll see this brokers that we're using that I recommend. They are reliable, trusted. Your money is safe with these brokers. They offer a lower spread, and lower spread, a lower spread is what we want when it comes to trading, so that we don't pay too much fees. So let's go ahead and click this Derive. This time around, we don't click on open account, but if you do not have an account at this moment, so make sure that you scroll all the way down, you click open account. But for you, we click login because already we have a trading account. So let's click login. Now, once we clicked on login, we have to enter our email address that we have used to register a trading account. If you have used this, I do not recommend you to actually add your email address. You can continue with this, but if you've forgotten the password, you don't remember the password, you can click here, then you enter the email address, then reset. After that, you'll get an email address for you to reset the password. Make sure that you have you have a note whereby you keep everything, so that you can actually don't have any error when it comes to reset logging in. So let's log in first. Let's not waste time. Then simple. Now to verify an account is way easy, simple. Now we've managed to log in, which is the first thing. For Derive, we have managed to log in, and verifying an account is simple and easy. So I'll just show you how to do it, and then you actually do it on your own. Now we have options. We have CFDs. So let's actually cancel this because our account is not yet verified. So we have click here, 3-dot icon. We click account settings. Now we can click proof of identity or proof of address. Submit these documents. It's important that you submit these documents so that your account can be verified. Simple. So click off proof of identity, follow the steps, submit it. Easy, straightforward. Now, once you've done that, if you're facing an issue, let me know. How to connect the account, it's simple. We'll go to CFDs. When we go to CFDs, remember this is a real account. We have to change here to demo. We want to start with a demo money that we can use to practice. It's easy and straightforward. So we go to, this is CFDs. This is the account that we have. If you don't have an account at the moment like this, you can click on get. You can click on get here. You can see get here. Then you enter the password. Let's make sure that we paste that same password that we're using, so that we don't actually, this is the password. If you have any error here, you can click on forgotten password. Now let's add account. The account will be added successfully. Then we click on continue. This is the account. So to connect is simple. You click on open. Click on open. Then click here, trade with MT5 mobile app. Easy. You won't have an error of authorization fail if you do this. So let's cancel here. We don't want to update the app. Anyway, let's paste the password here, save here, then sign in. Simple, easy. Now the account will be, you see now we have the account. for the iPhone version, it's the same thing. You do the very same thing. It's simple. Now you can click on codes. You'll be able to see the asset that you can trade. Now, if you're looking to trade Volatility 75, then you'll need to actually go back. Let's go back, open the Chrome. Now we click on cancel. We don't want to save here. We click on cancel. We click on this one now. We want to open. And remember, this money you cannot withdraw. It is only for practice. We click here. Then we paste that same password. Then we click on save, sign in. Simple, easy. This is how we actually connect the account. Now that we connected the account is verified, connected, you can now start trading. On demo, practice on demo. To add the Volatility 75, we click on this icon here. Then you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see the volatility asset that you can actually use to trade. Now you can be able to do demo, trade, manage your trades, on session trade and all that. But then now let's go ahead. If you are using IC markets, if right now you're using IC market, we're done with the derivative, you go back to our YouTube channel and you do the very same thing. This time around, we click here, we go to what? IC markets. You don't have to do this every time. Please, you don't have to do this every time. If you don't have an account with IC markets, you click start trading and follow the easy steps. Just few easy steps. So let's click on a client login so that we can be able to log in to the broker's website. Then I'll show you how to verify the account. It's simple. Now we've managed to log in and this will just pop up. If it does not pop up like this, to submit your proof of ID of proof of residence, then you can actually click this icon here. Then you'll be able to see it says upload document here. Okay, upload documentation. Then after you click there, you'll be able to upload the proof of address, proof of identity. Now make sure that the proof of address, you can also add your bank statement. You can also add your municipality bill. You can add anything that actually has your address on it, as long as it indicates your address. It's simple. So once you have your account verified, you can actually go ahead to, you can click here. You can click verify here if your account is not verified with IC Markets, and click account to connect. It's simple and easy. Now we have the demo account here, or yet we don't have it. We can click on open demo account. It's simple and easy. We have the MT4, we have the MT5, so we can go ahead with the MT4 and account type and all that is raw spread. So we click on proceed. It's easy and straightforward. So now, since we do have the, let's refresh. The account is here, the password is here. You can see the password. You can see the server name. With IC Markets is a bit different, so we need to make sure that we connect it to the correct server. It's IC Markets SC Demo 04. So we'll copy the the account ID. We get out. We go to MT4. We open MT4. It's easy, straightforward. So I trust anybody can do it. So we click on accept or decline, but let's go with accept. Let's cancel here. We don't have much time. We just have to be quick. So we click on this third dot icon here. We click on get started. Then we click on add trading account. We log into existing account. We search IC Markets this time around. IC Markets SC. It's demo. It's what? It's demo 04. This is a MetaTrader 4, right? By the way, let's paste the login ID. Let's go back to Chrome. Let's copy that password. Let's copy that password, MT4. Let's copy that password. Copy. Get out. MT4. Paste it here. And then sign in. Easy. Easy. This is how you actually can be able to connect your trading account to. You see now we've managed to connect it. This is demo money. We can use the practice. We can click on here. Then we can do the same with MT5. We just have to have an MT5 account. Here we have to have an MT5 account. So we can click open demo account, MT5 account. You can do this for the real account. It's that simple. So I trust you won't have any difficulties as to how to connect the account. So you can be able to trade. So you copy these details. Just like that. Let's do for the MT5 quickly. I don't want us to waste time. MT5, open there. Click this icon here. If you're having an iPhone, you will see here settings. Then click manage account. Click this plus icon here and search IC Markets SC. IC Markets SC. Then you change the server now. You change the server. We go back to Chrome. Make sure that the server corresponds. You can see here IC Markets SC demo with no 4, with no 1. Then we go back to MetaTrader 5. Easy. So you won't have any issue. So if you tap here, you see we have this. This is the server that we want. We add the ID here, login ID. We go back, Chrome. Then we copy this password now. Just like that. We've managed to copy. Open MetaTrader 5. Paste it here. Then we click on login. Simple. So the account will be connected here. We can now start using it to authorization fail, meaning that the password is wrong. See what I meant? So let's go back to the account quickly. Let's make sure that we copy the correct password. So let me just do that quickly without wasting your time. Just like that, we copy the password first and we paste it here. This is demo server. Paste it here. Login ID. Let's get it quickly. Login ID. We copy. We go back. Open MetaTrader 5. Paste it here. Then click next. Then sign in. Now, if it has authorization fail, that means that we are with the wrong server name or password is wrong. So now it will connect. You can see we have the account now. It's connected. We can be able to start on codes, start trading, practicing charts. We'll be able to see the graph that we can analyze. Then we can be able to use this icon here to make the buy or sell. It's easy. Trade. We see, we monitor the trade that are actually in profit or losses. Now we can go back. Now let's do the one of FXView. Some of you are having some issues with FXView. So let's go ahead. With the deposit and the withdrawal, it's easy and straightforward. So if you have any issue facing an error, please let me know. So let's tap here, FXView. This is easy to do. You can do this with any broker if you're using another broker. So now we are on FXView. We've managed to log in already. I've logged in. So if you have not completed the account, please make sure that you complete or you verify the account. So you can also see the status here if your account is verified or what. It's that easy. It's that simple on actually FXView. So if right now, in case you have not managed to verify the account, you can type your message here. But then to do it, it's simple. So you see, account is not verified there. I was teaching you as to how to actually do it. But then connecting an account, it's simple. If you click here on this three dot icon there, you'll be able to see dashboard, wallet, account funding, manage account. Let's actually start with the one of manage accounts. And we see the account here. This is the account ID. You copy it just like that. Then this is live MT5 live account. And you can go ahead as to if you like to actually reset the password, you've forgotten the password, you can tap on this three dot icon here, then scroll down like this. You'll be able to see change password and you can change the password. Easy. So now let's go ahead and connect this account to MetaTrader 5. So let's copy this login ID, and once we will copy that login ID, we can do the one of demo also, MT5. Tap this icon here, tap this plus icon, FXView, search. Then we choose this one here. Then we change the server here is live. Remember, the server is live. We paste it here, paste the login ID here. The password, I have to type it. So it's demo FX. Yes. And then we click on done. Then we click on login. Now the account will be login, and you can see we have the account logged in, connected. We can now start trading, go into codes, do your analysis and all that. So the next time you're trying to actually connect your account, this is what you have to do. So on FXView, please make sure that when you submit the documents or documentations, you are submitting a document that is actually, you can also click on this bell icon here, see all notifications, and make sure that you are submitting a document that is less than 4 megabytes. If the document or that you are submitting is more than that, you can take a screenshot of that login ID. So you can see now how we connect the accounts. So we on FXView, you can actually use this broker to trade the financial market. You can be able to trade with ZAR if you like to prefer ZAR, USD, Euro, and that's simple. So if you like to connect, let's say we would like to connect the demo account. Here's the demo account. We can copy it. This is the Euro account. So we copy this login ID. We see that this demo here, the server here is demo. It's not live. And you can change the password on all that. So let's go back. MetaTrader 5. Tap this icon here. Tap manage account. Tap plus and search. Oh, here's FXView already. We change now to demo. Paste that login password here. Demo FX hash. This is my demo password, guys. You can actually, if you have authorization fail, meaning that you have to actually make sure that you put the same password. Make sure that you reset this password for the demo account. So the authorization fail is because the account, you are actually adding the wrong password. No connection, it's just that it's either authorization fail or the network connection is low. So now you have the accounts. You are able to actually now, you can connect the accounts also to Derive X, Derive Go, Trading View. Just that I don't want to take much time to actually connect the account, and verifying is simple. So these are the apps, but then we'll have another lesson for you to actually understand how to connect them to these apps. But it's simple. So if you're using Trading View, you just open Trading View. It's that simple. And once you have Trading View, you'd have to create a profile. So now we're not gonna go through that. At Derive X, you'll find it Derive X using what? Using this. And for you, for some traders, they're having some difficulties as to how to deposit Bozza. You click here, right? You click here, then you click on account funding for FXView, deposit funds, and you'll be able to deposit money for you to start trading. We have these options. You have local banks. You can use the local banks. For some of you, prefer the local banks, depending on how much money you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit 1,000, you can deposit 1,000. You can also use Nutella, Skrill, and that's all. So if you have any questions as to Bozza, I'm struggling, what next? Then once you have the demo account linked into the trading account, because I prefer for you as a beginner to start using these trading apps, MetaTrader 5 and 4. Start using the demo, make your buy, make the sell, practice there. But then the most important thing is make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can understand how to analyze this graph. For some of the traders, they don't understand how to do analysis, trade using this graph. So it's simple. So you can be able to buy and sell and all that, trade and manage your trades, codes, see the asset that you'll be trading, the price on the right, and the sections here. You on messages, some beginners, they make the mistake. You don't do anything here. Please don't do anything here. Trade. Then you'll be able to now to see the money here that you have, history, deposited money, virtual money that you can use to practice. That's all. I trust you understand. And if you have any questions, Bozza, please assist me here. Let me know in the comment section below. I love you all. Stay blessed.